Alexa, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
What are you doing?
Making some fancy veal. Really making
What is that?
an old with my it's something my mom used to make.
What is it?
Macaroni and tomatoes.
So what did you do with it? Tell me.
I bought a couple cans of diced tomatoes. Usually she used to buy stewed tomatoes
Okay.
and some tomato soup. And then I add some stuff like some onion to it, and if we have green pepper.
But before that, you boiled
I boiled the
macaroni shell. What do you do now?
Look to see if I got
Some what?
Yeah, there's some green pepper in here. Just for
What pepper?
for any kind of pepper.
Orange pepper?
Do they have
I think we
anything?
got some here. Wow, you are the most luckiest. You happy when I'm gone?
Hmm?
Are you happy when I was gone?
No.
What?
The house is pretty empty. Pretty
Huh?
quiet. House was pretty empty and pretty quiet.
That's me.
The only thing that was convenient about it is I know you don't like the vacuum cleaner and all that stuff. You use the vacuum cleaner and dust and clean the floors.
So it got pretty messy on your table while you're cooking too. It's not only me. So you put the pepper there already.
Put the onion in, put the pepper in, and mix it all together with the other stuff. And I'm going to heat it up a little bit.
What?
I used 2 cups of the pasta. I might have been able to go like a half a cup to a cup more.
Well, that's fine. Too much carb.
Clean it up a little bit.
How long are you gonna take it there or cook it?
Yeah, not real long, just enough to cook the cup up a little bit.
What's that now? Okay.
Sausage.
You're gonna add it there?
I'm gonna add it to it, but I'm gonna cook it in the microwave first, so it's good. I think it's actually pre-cooked anyway.
Alexa, how are you today?
I'm just pondering life's greatest questions, like why the little white tables in the middle of a pizza don't come with matching chairs.
Okay. Alexa, what do you mean?
That's hard to explain.
Alexa, I still don't know why the chicken crossed the road.
I'm not sure.
Alexa, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck would chuck about 700 pounds of wood on a good day with the wind at his back.
Something must have hurt down.
Again?
Just for like an hour. Have to tell me where it is.
What?
Casserole dish. Yeah, those are mixing bowls, but I want a casserole dish. I want like the oblong one that's maybe I can use the pie one, but okay.
Wow, you're not wasting anything, huh? Smells like there's a bread, burning bread in the oven.
Oh, really?
What are you using?
Not burning bread.
What's that?
Oh, yeah, mittens.
You still don't remember. Be careful. Oh, it's not even hot yet, honey. What the It's not even hot yet.
It's 350.
No, your pan, your glass. There's the pot holder down there on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Doing now? You're feeding your face.
Yeah.
Is it good? Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, you made it. You made. Thanks for making dinner. Say hi to my blog.
Hi, blog.
Say it.
So, I've got some kielbasa and I've eaten with it.
You're proud.
It's simple. It's something simple.
Thank you.
Yeah.